Hello guys, today I have got a lot of cables to make up. We're replacing all the old Arctic cables that we've had in our flight cases for some years now, and they're getting a bit worn out and tired, and the Arctic cable as well. This stuff can get pretty stiff, and so if it's been curled up for a while, it's not the easiest of the job. So we're going over to new rubber cable. Basic plan is got a tape measure set up on here. I will be measuring in meter length, so we're going to have a 13 amp 5 meter cable onto a 16 socket on the end, and then we're going to have a 16 amp 10 meter extension. Before I start, I'm going to make myself something to hold the cable reel on, which we'll use this old bar from White Piaggio that we're not reusing because it's gone a bit rusty, but we'll make a fine addition to bolt onto there to hold my cables, so I can just reel it out as I need it. That'll do me. So now we can use that to simply pull through, measure out where we need, and we can cut to length. Off camera, I have been working through a couple of bits. So I've done the coffee machine and grinders in this flight case, as well as the 4-way plug, and so I'll probably film doing these two tomorrow as we get on with change around for everything for clears. Just gets a lot easier to see if there's problems and for pat testing. So I'll call that it for today, and back for more wiring tomorrow.